Welcome to Shamshakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Myself Deshmukh Apeksha. Student, in today's lecture we are going to learn 6th standard subject English topic Paramveer Chakra, our hero. So, in previous lecture we had seen information about Paramveer Chakra. Means Paramveer Chakra is very rare and it had only given in 21 times. So student, in today's lecture we are going to learn means how it is look, means Paramveer Chakra, how it is looking. So you open your textbook and I will explain now. Student, open your English textbook, page number 20. See here is the picture of Paramveer Chakra. So looking very simple. So now we see information about Paramveer Chakra. So first line, the medal itself is very simple appearance. It is made of bronze and it is fitted with swivel mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. On the obverse, it has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. So student, the medal itself is very simple in appearance. Appearance means it is looking very simple, and it is made of bronze and is fitted with swivel mounting. Mounting means wheel mounting means fixed in a way, and it has a plain purple ribbon. Swivel mounting means student, it is looking very simple and moving freely and has plain purple ribbon. And on the obverse, obverse means front side of medal. Obverse means front side of medal, and it has the Indian national emblem. Student, look here. In the center of the medal, it is our Indian national emblem. It is called emblem. So, then next, surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. Indra's Vajra means it is a one of the Vajra means weapon, and it is called God Indra's weapon. It is called Indra's Vajra, and 4 replicas. This is a picture of 4 replicas, means 4 pictures of Indra's Vajra. 1, 2, 3 and here 4. The picture of Indra's Vajra. Okay student, understand up to here? Student, on the reverse, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flowers in between. And on the reverse means on the back side of medal, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved. So what is the meaning of engraved? Engraved means design on the stone or metal, means on the Paramveer Chakra. It is on the back side. These words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi language and also in English language, and with 2 lotus flowers in between, means between in 2 flowers, 2 lotus flower, their name of Paramveer Chakra are engraved. Then next paragraph. The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. So student, she was a European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. Savitribai loved India and took Indian citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and had studied Indian art and traditions in depth. So student, do you know who designed Paramveer Chakra? Yes, this Paramveer Chakra designed by Savitribai Khanolkar, and she was a European lady, means she was not Indian lady. She was a European lady and she married with Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer, and Vikram Khanolkar was Indian army officer. So Savitribai Khanolkar was married with Vikram Khanolkar, and Savitribai loved India, and also she liked our India and she loved India. That's why she expect Indian citizenship. And when she become Indian citizen, and then she learn which language? Marathi as well as Sanskrit, Hindi. So she spoke all these languages very fluently and had studied Indian arts and traditional in depth. And she also studied our Indian tradition, means our Indian culture, our Indian arts, many types of arts, and in depth. So she had studied our Indian culture and also our Indian traditions. So student, you understand who design our Paramvir Chakra and how it is looking? It is looking very simple. Okay student. So in tomorrow's lecture we will see information about Indra's Vajra. Okay student. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.